All right, y'all. Happy Air Max Day 2026. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Hey, I hope everybody is able to get the pair of sneakers that they're going after. It is currently like 9 and change, so the sneakers app releases and all that stuff hasn't happened yet, but I'm headed to JD Sports to pick up a pair of the pink foam Air Max 95s. The only pair that I really want, so I'm going to see what else they got in the store. They might have the Greedies in there, but as you guys can see on the screen, these are all the pairs that's dropping today, and it's a lot of heat. Don't get me wrong. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all going after. I think most of this stuff is gonna eventually sell out. Should sell out pretty quick, but I do think the pink foams, the smaller sizes will be available, but the extended sizes, they definitely gonna go. But hey, make sure y'all hit the subscribe and hit that like button. We're gonna see what's going on in this store. Let's go. We're gonna pull up the JD Sports. Really nothing going on, as you guys can see right here, but I did want to show you guys. You guys can see right here, we got the pink foams there, and then they also have the right there, man. So let's go up in here and see what we can do. All right, so able to get my size in the Air Max 95, these greedy joints right here. A lot of different stuff going on these things. Material is A1, you know what I'm saying? Different colorways on the bottom. Each shoe is unique in their own way. Got these orange pair right here, boy. You know what I'm saying? Orange Air Unit right there, orange Nike swoosh on the side. Classic pair. I know a lot of people was looking for these. I don't think many people was advertising it and just walking in the JD. They have them there, but they did tell me that they didn't have many sizes, and I know they sold out ASAP on the sneakers app. Was you able to copy your pair? Let me know down below. All right, y'all, so we was able to cash out. Kind of empty here, had a few people in line, but y'all see right here, Air Max. This for my brother. Got his pair, women's size 13, which is a man size 11.5. Big bubble joints right here, and as you guys can see, yes sir, they clean, bro. They are clean. Something subtle, something nice, you know what I'm saying? Not a bad sneaker at all, in my opinion. Air Max Day is a success if you ask me. So yeah, go out in the stores. I'm here before the sneakers release, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's gonna sell out. I know they're gonna sell out in the bigger size, the extended sizes. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you was able to get them. Did y'all walk into the store and get them, or what y'all do, man? All right, y'all, we headed out, man. Got a little two-piece, you know what I'm saying? Shout out JD Sport for Air Max Day. Y'all let me know how y'all made out today. I'm saying, so it is stuff in store, so make sure you guys are just going in the store, and I hope everybody's able to get the Air Maxes that they're looking for today on Air Max Day. But I gotta go, man. This is a short vlog, quick. I got stuff I gotta do, but y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these Air Maxes, just bait. For me to share my fate. Hey, happy Air Max Day. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can get